Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Rajesh. Welcome to manapharma YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we will learn about pharmaceutical industry. Today we are diving into the topic that affects each one of us whether we realize it or not, the pharmaceutical industry. The sounds it's very serious, right? But don't worry. I am going to break it down in a simple and interesting way. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. First one, what is the pharmaceutical industry? The pharmaceutical industry is basically the world of medicines. It's all about discovering, developing, producing and selling drugs or medicines that keep us healthy or treat illness. Imagine you have a fever. You go to a doctor and they prescribe you a tablet. The tablet is made by a pharma company after years of research, testing and approval. That whole process, that is the pharmaceutical industry in action. Number 2, what do pharma companies do? There are four major things pharma companies do. The first one, research and development, that is nothing but R&D. In R&D, finding a new drugs. Number 2, clinical trials, testing drugs on humans to check safety and effectiveness of a drugs. Number 3, manufacturing, making medicines in a factories with a strict quality control and quality assurance. Number 4, marketing and sales, selling the medicines to the hospital, pharmacies and doctor. It's not just about making medicines. It's a long journey from lab to our hand. Number 3, what is the generic medicines and branded medicine? Have you ever seen two medicines with different prices but same effect? That is because of branded and generic. Now coming to the branded medicines. These branded medicines are new and expensive, protected by patents. Number 2, generic medicines. The generic medicines are very cheaper versions that comes out after patent expiry. Generic doesn't mean low quality, it means affordable and equally effective. Number 4, major players and global impact of pharmaceutical industry. The pharma industry is a massive and global companies like Pfizer, Johnson and Johnson, Novartis and Indian giants like Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's Labs play a big role in pharma industry. India is even called the pharmacy of world because we export lot of generic medicines. Number 5, how new medicines are made. Creating a new medicines takes around 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars. It's a crazy, right? The steps are discovering of a new molecule, testing it in labs and animals, conducting human trials. This is available in 3 phases. Getting approval from regulatory bodies like FDA or DCGI. The mass production and sales will be happen. So every pill you take has gone through years of testing and approval. Number 6, challenges in pharma industry. It is not all sailing. The industry faces big challenges like high R&D cost, a risk of failure in clinical trials, strict government regulation, price pressure and affordability, fake medicines in market. And during situation like the COVID pandemic, the pharma companies played a superhero role developing vaccines at recorded speed. So finally we are coming to the end of the video. So that is the pharmaceutical industry, a mix of science, research, business and public health. It's all about saving lives and improving healthcare. If you learn something new today, give this video a like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and simple breakdowns like this. See you in the next one. Thank you. Jai Hind.